Ladies and gentlemen, meet the new handler of Izikhwama, Unomafu. So to find out what I mean about that, then stay tuned to this video. Umkhokha, the case has just moved to a direction that you all never suspected. I mean, I for one expected that this thing of Izikhwama will only be stopped by Uzamxolo or Umtem, but it looks like I guessed wrong. On the latest episode of Umkhokha, they've started identifying Umabusi as our new saver from Mzobe in this Izikhwama saga. They found to consult us for clear, while Mzobe on the other hand went to a sangoma. And on both these consultations, they were told that the bags are looking for a new owner or a handler. No, in fact, let me just give context so that people who don't watch Umkhokha will be updated. Mzobe have been trying to get rid of the bags after she was told by her sangoma that they've started being dangerous to her. And now her attempts of getting rid of those bags always fail. She started by throwing the bag in the river, but that didn't work because Izikhwama came back from the river and she found them on top of a table. And recently, she left the bag in a taxi hoping that someone in a taxi will take them and they'll never come back. But guess what? The bags found their way again of coming back to the house. A lady who saw Mzobe still leaving the bag in a taxi decided to take them back to her. And Mzobe was not happy after this. She then went to a sangoma to complain and find out why these bags keep on coming back. The sangoma then told her that there is only one person who can solve all her problems and become the next handler of Izikhwama, and guess who that is? Yep, you guessed right, it's Mabusi. On another scene, Difa went to a temple in Lenkosi to pray with Sfoklia, and after their prayer, Sfoklia then told Paratwayo that Izikhwama looking for a new owner, and at that time, we had already found out from Isangoma that they are talking about Mabusi, so Mzobe was not really happy after hearing about this news. She then decided to hide Izikhwama in the yard, which is how the episode ended. We now wait to find out what is going to happen next. And up until the next episode, this is the end of this video. Please share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.